English conversation.
Oh my goodness. Are you okay? I'm so sorry. I didn't see you on your bicycle.
Ow. That hurt. I didn't expect a car to come that close. I think I'm okay, but my leg hurts a bit.
I'm really sorry. I should have been more careful. Let me call for help, or take you to a hospital if needed.
It's alright. Accidents happen. My leg might just be bruised. Can you help me up?
Of course. Let me help you get up. I'll stay with you until we make sure you're okay. Is there someone I can contact for you?
Thank you. My mom's number is in my phone, which is in my backpack. Can you grab it for me?
Sure thing. I'll get your phone from your backpack and call your mom to let her know what happened.
10 minutes later.
Good afternoon. What seems to be the situation here?
I'm really sorry. I was driving and accidentally hit this young boy on his bicycle.
It was my fault too. I should have been more careful while riding.
I appreciate your honesty. First, let's make sure everyone's okay. Do you need medical assistance, young man?
I think I'm mostly okay. Just a bit shaken and my leg hurts a bit.
I'll call for an ambulance just to be safe. Can I see your identification and insurance, please?
Of course. Here's my driver's license and insurance card.
Thank you. And may I have your name and contact information, young man?
Sure, it's Mark Johnson. And here's my school ID with my address and phone number.
Thank you, Mark. I'm glad you're handling this maturely. Accidents do happen, but it's important that we all learn from them. I'll need to file a report about the incident.
Absolutely, officer. I'll cooperate fully and take responsibility for my part in this.
And I'll make sure to be more cautious next time I'm on the road.
That's the right attitude. Remember, road safety is a shared responsibility. I'll document everything, and you'll both receive a copy of the report.
Oh my goodness. Mark. Are you all right? What happened here?
Mom, I'm okay. Just a bit shaken. And my leg hurts a little. I got hit by a car while riding my bike.
I'm so relieved you're not seriously hurt. Thank you for letting me know. And thank you, sir, for staying with Mark.
I'm truly sorry for what happened. I didn't see Mark until it was too late. I'm glad he's not seriously injured.
Accidents can happen to anyone. What's most important is that Mark is safe. Thank you for your concern.
Mom, it was partly my fault too. I should have been more careful.
Well, let's all learn from this. Mark, I'm just glad you're all right. And thank you for being honest.
I've taken down all the necessary information and filed a report. You'll receive a copy for insurance purposes.
Thank you, officer. I appreciate your help. Mark, Let's get you checked out by a doctor, just to make sure everything's okay.
Alright, Mom. Thanks for coming so quickly.
Of course, sweetheart. And thank you again, sir, for staying with Mark and being responsible.
I'm truly sorry once more. I hope Mark feels better soon. If there's anything else I can do, please let me know.
Your concern is appreciated. Let's all make sure we're more careful on the road from now on.